Today I will be showing you how to make a composite image using transparency and opacity. First, you're going to select the magic eraser tool to make the background transparent.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a composite photo using Photoshop.
You may have to zoom in to see the smaller areas of the image.
If you're happy with it, honey, I'm happy.
Next, you're going to select your background image. You're going to pull in the picture you want to make transparent.
Photo using Photoshop. First, you want to find two pictures of your favorite athletes or actors. Next thing you want to do is select the background. And then you're going to use the selection brush to select the head and the shoulders.
Now you're going to make the opacity around 50%. This is all a personal preference for how transparent you want the image to be.
If you get too much, just press
Now,
Alt.
you're going to take your image that you made transparent earlier and pull it into the background.
Next thing you want to do
You
is
can size it any size you want.
Control C, go to the background image and press Control V, and then you can move this image anywhere you want to.
That is how you make a composite image using transparency and opacity.